is if I wanted to buy my whole team one, do you provide bulk discounts if I buy 10 or anything, or is it just kind of like an individual price at your website for now?
Yeah, for somebody like that that has a large team, of course, we would love to have a discount for them, and we can offer that. So if they
Cool.
can contact me through the website, or we're even on Instagram,
Mhm.
Facebook, and got onto TikTok. And I haven't done much TikTok myself, but
Get
there's
on it.
there's people that are doing that already, and they're a lot better than I would just stick to my gifts, and and leave that's the TikTok stuff or whatnot to the pros.
It's actually pretty easy.
But
I think you'd do great at it, and I think
yeah,
you'd have a huge following because there's a ton of painters on there too. So
yeah.